Florida insurance regulators are deciding if Citizens policyholders will be dealt a double-digit rate increase next year.
While leaders for the state's insurer of last resort say it's necessary for the market, policyholders are understandably concerned. Taylor Hernandez joins us now with what kind of impact this will have on the average Floridian. Taylor?
Well, Citizens leaders say the average policy costs just more than $3,500 a year. This would take it to about $4,000 annually. Ultimately, though, the goal is just to get policies out of Citizens to ensure they've got enough money in the bank to cover their customers if disaster strikes.
Citizens needs to bring down its risk exposure tremendously.
Mark Friedlander works for the Insurance Information Institute. While the proposed rate hike is the highest allowed by state law, he says it is still far below market rate.
The difference between a Citizens policy and a private market policy runs about 30% on average.
For multi-peril coverage, which is the most common kind of policy, the average increase for homeowners would be 13.5%. For condo owners, the average increase would be 14.2%.
Citizens rates are artificially low. They're not actuarially sound, and that's because of the tight state regulations.
This week, the Insurance Information Institute reported that in the first 3 months of the year, insurers turned a profit of nearly $150 million, something that hasn't been done in nearly a decade. While that signals woes for consumers, it's good for the market.
If insurers continue to post a underwriting loss year after year, they'll go out of business or they'll just leave Florida, one of the two.
Citizens, which is supposed to be the state's insurer of last resort, is the state's largest insurer. Right now, it has more than 1.2 million policies, which is down from a peak last fall of more than 1.4 million. However, Citizens vowed to have fewer than 1 million policies by the end of this year. And it appears the corporation will hit that mark because just this week, insurance regulators approved more than 400,000 policies to be moved out of Citizens to 10 different carriers.
They consider a manageable risk level to be about 400,000 to 500,000 policies. So they've got a long way to go.
Certainly far from over, but the hearing about this proposed increase is over. You do still have the chance to submit comments to the Office of Insurance Regulators. That ends on August 15th. In the story on our website, I put in there just how you can send an email to make sure your voice is heard. Regulators will make their decision several weeks after that public comment period ends. Taylor Hernandez, WPBF 25 News.